Shelli, Pelly, Parker Confidential. All right, today's Thursday, which is my day off from working out. And these days, just like everybody else, this means from our home gym, which we're really lucky to have just been able to put in, because if there's any time that it's really good to be selling fitness equipment, it's now, because I will tell you, everything was sold out, so we were lucky to be able to get this set up. So anyways, let's do this. I have been asked a lot about fitness questions, eating questions, staying fit, maintaining your fitness, and here's the deal. There's two big main components to getting fit and staying fit and healthy. One is working out, of course, and the second big one is your diet, right? So if you have read my 28-day California sugar cleanse, you know that one of the big components to staying away for good health is not eating sugar. So today I'm going to show you 3 of the most popular refined carbohydrates that people love, what to eat instead, and the portion size. Follow me into the kitchen and let me show you. Okay ladies, so here we are in my kitchen. Let's talk 3 of the most popular refined carbohydrates, why you want to stay away from them, and what to eat instead. All right, so they all fall under what I call the whites, and that is white rice, white pasta, and white bread. Now, the reason that you want to stay away from a lot of the whites is because they have been processed in a plant, and they've had most of their nutrients, vitamins, and minerals stripped from them. So what that means is you're just eating empty calories. It's easy to overeat, and it also helps to spike your blood sugar, which is what you don't want. When your blood sugar spikes, your pancreas creates more insulin, and when it's creating more insulin, it signals your body stop burning fat and start storing fat. Now, that probably sounds familiar because I also touched on that in my 28-day California sugar cleanse, because sugar does the same thing. All right, so starting with white rice. Instead of white rice, I love farro, and if you haven't tried farro, it to me is the closest to brown rice that I have found. It is an ancient grain. It's extremely healthy. It's very high in protein and in fiber. It has, this is cooked. I cooked it. It really has a chewiness, a density to it, and it's very filling. So the serving size that you want to have with this is a half a cup. It goes really fast. So this is a half a cup serving. That's about all you want. I pair it with a ton of things. I actually make a really good Mediterranean farro. There will be a recipe for that on my blog, AnnieParkerConfidential.com, if you want the recipe. But half a cup of farro, really good. You make it exactly like brown rice. If you have a rice cooker, just set it on the brown rice setting and it cooks up. Now, it does take a lot longer to cook, but that's a good thing. That's because there's a lot of density to it, so it's taking longer to cook. It hasn't had any of the vitamins and minerals stripped out of it. All right, number 2 is white pasta. Same thing. Pasta, I tend to stay away from pasta, even the whole wheat pasta, because you just don't get a lot of bang for your buck. So here's a serving size. A serving size of pasta, whole wheat pasta, is 2 ounces. 2 ounces cooked. This is a single serving of pasta, right? Not a lot. All right, the third thing, white bread, and yeah, that includes bagels. Bagels, oh, by the way, 1 bagel, a quarter of a bagel is equal to 1 slice of bread. So if you're eating a whole bagel, and who eats half a bagel, you're having the equivalent of 4 pieces of bread. I know, and I love bagels too, like especially with all the tubs of different flavored cream cheese. I know, those are really good. So instead of white bread, opt instead for a sprouted bread like an Ezekiel bread, which has 0 white flour in it. It's lower in carbs, higher in protein, and it has a much better effect on your glucose levels. So 1 serving is 1 piece of bread, right? And sometimes what I do after working out or just as a snack is I put some unsweetened peanut butter or some unsweetened almond butter on it, a little bit of sliced banana, some blueberries, sprinkle some chia seeds, or some sliced strawberries, and it's just kind of a nice little good treat. Daily servings of carbohydrates. I personally try and stay within 2 to 3 servings of carbohydrates a day, if even that. I mean, sometimes I'm 1 or 2. It just kind of depends on how hungry I am. So I wouldn't have more than 1, 2, 3 of these in a day, and usually probably 2. So I hope that was helpful for you. For more information and for anything health, fitness, style, beauty, and healthy living, visit me on the blog at aparkerconfidential.com, and I'll see you on the blog.